Acura has given up on penny pinching, finally giving the Integra the equipment it should have had from the start. Acura has introduced the 2026 Integra, which features revised styling and additional equipment. The updates include a larger 9-inch display and a newly standard wireless smartphone charger. Customers are also offered new color options, a new grille, and a revamped A-Spec body kit. The Acura Integra returned in 2022 as a Civic-based liftback that blended practicality with luxury. It's been well received by customers, and Americans snapped up 24,398 of these last year. That meant the model outsold the larger ILX by over 3 to 1. The Integra also easily surpassed its predecessor, as only 14,685 ILXs were sold in 2019. To keep that momentum going, the company unveiled the 2026 Integra with an updated design, an improved cabin, and an impressive list of standard equipment. Set to arrive at dealerships next month, the 2026 Integra is instantly recognizable as this isn't a facelift. Instead, it's a model year update that sees 3 new color options, including solar silver metallic, urban gray pearl, and double apex blue pearl. Models painted in double apex blue pearl or performance red pearl get a new body color grille, which is also available as an option on cars wearing platinum white pearl or urban gray pearl. Paint aside, the Integra A-Spec rides on new 18-inch wheels with a black finish. The model also gets a lightly revised body kit, which includes sportier side skirts and splitter-like accents on the front bumper. More meaningful changes occur inside as the 7-inch infotainment system gives way to a larger 9-inch display. While it's still on the small side, Acura noted the system has a faster processor for lag-free performance. Buyers will also be happy to find newly standard wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, which used to be limited to higher-end variants. Additional changes are limited, but there's a new pattern on the dashboard trim. More importantly, a wireless smartphone charger is now standard, as you'd expect from a luxury brand. The mid-level Integra A-Spec gains extended ambient lighting as well as a more colorful cabin. Models equipped with an orchid interior get new blue micro-suede inserts, while those with an ebony interior have new yellow stitching on the seats, steering wheel, shifter, and door panels. The Integra comes nicely equipped with heated leatherette front seats offering 8-way power adjustment on the driver's side. Other highlights include a 10.2-inch digital instrument cluster, an 8-speaker audio system, and the Acura Watch suite of driver assistance systems. The latter includes adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning, road departure mitigation, traffic sign recognition, and a collision mitigation braking system. Since this is a small update, power continues to be provided by a 1.5-liter turbo engine producing 200 horsepower, 149 kilowatts/203 PS, and 192 lb-ft, 260 Nm, of torque. The 4-cylinder is connected to a continuously variable transmission, although a 6-speed manual is also available. The latter is a segment-exclusive feature and sports automatic rev matching. Acura also throws in a limited slip differential on manual models. The 2026 Acura Integra will be built in Marysville, Ohio, and pricing will be announced closer to launch. However, due to the additional equipment, we can expect the model to cost more than its predecessor, which began at $33,000 before a $1,195 destination fee.